Hi, this is Anne. I'm going to give you a quick look at how to get started with IBM Journey Designer. The first screen you see after logging in is your workspace. All of the storyboards you're working on are organized as cards. Each card shows a preview of the canvas and details like the owner's name and whether there are any discussions taking place. Above the cards, you will find commands and tools to make this view your own. If you want to switch to List View, just click this option here in the top right corner. List View makes it easy to sort or search. I can open any storyboard by clicking on it, but instead I'm going to create one from scratch. We'll use this new storyboard to design a customer experience around launching a new product. First, I'll give my storyboard a name. Next, I'll personalize it and enter a budget. Now I'm going to choose the customer persona who we're designing this experience for. I'm going to give the persona a name and select an icon for it. If you have personas within your own company, you can upload them here. To make this storyboard available to the rest of my team, I'm going to make it public. When you make a storyboard public, anyone with access to this Journey Designer instance can work with it. I'm now ready to start the design process, but I'm not going to do that alone. My colleague Evan, who can now see my storyboard in his workspace, will help me with the design process. As you can see in the bottom right, Evan is logged into my storyboard already. So, we've been asked to design an experience for the Kelly persona for this new product launch. We'll need to make a big splash at our product announcement event. We also want to reinforce our messaging prior to launch day. And we'll want to design some post-purchase stages and interactions to get customer feedback and create promoters. The first thing I'll do is define customer journey stages to visualize the journey and see where I might have gaps in the experience. Now that we have our stages, let's drag some touch points onto the canvas to show the interactions within each stage. Now we're going to configure the interactions in the stages by adding details to each touch point, so my channel manager Evan can see as much detail of our vision as possible. Evan will be working simultaneously on the post-purchase and advocacy stages, while I configure the announcement and pre-launch stages. As we work, I can use the chat feature to ask Evan a question. To create a task for Evan, I'm going to open the request page here. Evan will see this request in the Actions area. Now let's take a look at the timeline view. The storyboard timeline presents a bird's-eye view of the touchpoint dates you entered. You can see when internal due dates are coming up and when each interaction is going in market. To change dates, you can drag items on the timeline. Everything looks good here. The storyboard is ready to be implemented in whatever execution tools my organization uses. As you can see, Journey Designer is easy to use in collaboration with others. You can design multi-channel customer experiences in a matter of minutes. If you forget how to do something, just click Help to access this video again or take one of the Getting Started tours. Thanks for watching.